Chris.
And Joan for
Chris and
Jones
Jones
Travels.
Well, we made it to Puerto Rico
Finally.
with 3 out of 4 of our bags showing up. My bag is on its way to Baltimore, and then it'll be here tomorrow. So we came short a bag. But hey, we made it. We're not blaming Wyndham for that. We'll blame Southwest. But hey, we're getting ready to do a room tour. Joni's going to show you room 2103 here at the Margaritaville in Puerto Rico. Here we go. I'll set up for you.
So we are in 2103. And as typical, we have our wristbands to open the door. And we're chilling. So this is Margaritaville. So this is a Margaritaville style room, which is kind of nice. You walk in and there's the open kitchen with the bar stools, and for it's open cupboards. So all the plates, bowls, dishes that you need. And refrigerator, of course, has everything you need. Toaster, the coffee pot, as usual, it has grounds. We don't drink coffee, so we don't. That sounds like a good one. Maybe that might be good. And they have a Margaritaville margarita blender. Woohoo! Let's make some margaritas. And we already went shopping, so we bought our own food. And then it has the utensils, of course, the dishwasher, the stove, and the microwave. And then in the drawers, of course, there's all the general utensils that you need, all the cooking stuff you need. And they provide you with the, napkins, paper towels. They have a laundry on the 4th floor, so you can free laundry. And we can't forget about our scrub mommy. Where will scrub mommy go today? And then the basics, silverwares and things. Your bowls. So then, come in and it's the open living room. A good size. And we got the bar stool countertop. TV with lots of drawers for storage. Like I said, we're in the Margaritaville room, so you got the margarita style decor. And this is a pull-out bed. And outside here is our patio. We're on the 2nd floor, so we do have a view of the ocean. Kids, of course, we got here late at night tonight, so you can't see it. Look at the birdies. It just stopped raining. It was raining when we first got here. And way over there in the lights there, that's one of the pools. But here is the patio, good sized patio. Very nice. And this is a 1-bedroom.
Deluxe.
1-bedroom deluxe. So you got a good sized king bed with good nightstand and a clock, and then you have your plugs, which is good. Lots of storage for dressers. Same over here. Got a nice little chair, and we got luggage. And this one has a little patio off of the bedroom. So this is our room. Right there is check-in. And this here is here's the restaurant. And that's the path down to pool and everything. Good size. Come in here. And then this is a good sized closet. Utility room. Really good sized shower. Really good size, really nice, big. And I've posted before, but they do provide you with your shampoo and conditioner. And it's the Roots, I believe, like I said before, it is actually good. So it is individual shampoo, individual conditioner, and body wash. So it's not bad, so you could use it. I've used it and it's actually pretty good, so. Good size shower, nice. And then the bathroom, and then they have their own lotion and hand soap. Roots smells actually pretty good. Good size vanity here. So much I like. Whale tails for the faucet. Some good decor. Around here. And then this is another closet. The ironing board, your iron and hangers and extra bedding, and your safe. And your, I think that would fit. Like I said, we don't think it would fit a real big size laptop. So, good size. So, hope you like this view, this tour. Let us know what you think. What do you think of our room? And don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below, check out our other videos, check out our videos from our prior on our cruise, and check out we are now here in Rio Mar for a week. So we will be doing daily vlogs and where we go for our excursions and our day trips. So follow us along and don't forget to comment below, like and subscribe.
I'm Chris.
And Joan from Chris and Jones Travels. Have a good night. Bye.